Welcome to the talk. OPS Village here.
Presenting Kit Kat.
Presenting Kit Kat. My sister.
She also has a YouTube channel.
She also has a YouTube channel. A Minecraft YouTube channel. And not just Minecraft.
She plays other games too.
She plays other games too.
You might say she's a real gamer girl.
You might say she's a real gamer girl.
Well, hey guys, Kit Kat here. I'm so glad I could join my sister here on this talk show. So, what is it we're doing today, sis?
What we're going to do today is I'm going to ask a couple of questions for you.
Oh,
What do you like to do?
well, some of my hobbies are drawing. I really like to go swimming in the summer, and then during the winter, I like building snow forts. But when I draw, I like drawing realistic things, cartoon things too, but mostly realistic.
Oh, okay. Well, what's your favorite, flower?
Oh, well, I really like, I really can't remember what the name of them are, but they're these really pretty flowers, and they grow in the wild. I think they're called pansies or something like that, but they're really pretty and definitely my favorite flower.
Are they pansies? Next question. What's your favorite animal?
Well, I love all animals. Fluffy, small, they're just so cute. And you look in their little beady eyes and you just want to kiss them.
Yeah, and I will have to go with the guinea pigs. That's all so cute.
I agree.
Now I'm going to ask you your next question. So, your next question is going to be, what's your favorite fish?
My favorite fish is got to be a clownfish. They're just so pretty with all their bright colors. Don't you think?
Yeah, I think so too. I like those fish. I like all of them.
Yes, they're running out of time.
We're running out of time, so bye, guys.
Well, okay. I really enjoyed talking to you. It's fun to be able to talk with you.
I think so too.
I enjoyed coming on the talk. Maybe we could do this some other time.
Yeah,
I'd love to.
I would love to.
Guys, put in the comments down below.
Put the comments down below and make sure to watch my sister's video.
Write down in the comments below questions I should ask.
Write down in the comments below questions I should ask other visitors. And don't forget to comment down below for you want me to do, because I'm going to go on for their video. Bye, guys.
Well, I guess that's it. I mean, we've been on here for a while, so I guess it's time to go. Nevertheless, I really liked talking to you. But I think I want to ask you a question.
Okay, what?
What's your favorite color?
All right. Well, my favorite color is cotton candy light pink, and my other favorite color is cotton candy light purple.
Oh, all the talk of cotton candy has made me hungry. I guess we better go and get some later.
Yeah.
Sounds like fun.
That sounds like fun.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Well, bye guys.